Hey guys, welcome back to Carey Digital. I am Carey and I'm a Canva certified creative, most recently announced as a Canva ambassador. So that's pretty much I'm a Canva ambassador, and I'm really excited because Canva has recognized and trusted me to spread even more word about the use of Canva, how you can utilize Canva. And of course, I'm always excited to share like the tips, the hacks, and the tricks. Really excited. And so in this video, I'm going to share 5 features I absolutely love about Canva and that you can utilize in your small business to save time and to create beautiful and professionally designed graphics in Canva. Let's jump into it. So the number one feature I absolutely love is the Resize Tool. So as someone who creates multiple designs, especially templates, it's perfect for me because I can create one design and then utilize the Resize Tool, which saves me a lot of time. So for instance, you want to create an Instagram story, Instagram post, and an Instagram reel. You can just simply create one design and then utilize the Resize Tool to save time and turn that or convert that into a story, a reel, or even like a Facebook post, right? All you have to do when you utilize that tool is to make minor adjustments. The minor adjustments is nothing compared to you having to create a design from scratch. So the Resize Tool is definitely a number one favorite feature for me. Number 2, the other feature I love is text effects. So now you probably want to curve your text, or you probably want to add like a glow behind your text, or you want to do like a shadow effect with your text. The text effect does that for me, and you don't have to think too much about it. It's just with a click of a button, and it adds more personality and vibe and style to your overall design, and that makes it a number one top pick in terms of a feature for me when it comes to Canva. Number 3, I absolutely love the color picker, right? So for instance, you see a color that you love from an image, but you don't know the code. You can simply upload that image to Canva and utilize the color picker, and it just automatically, uses like a really great feature in the background where it just picks all the colors from that image. So it picks like the more primary dominant colors in the image, and then you get all the colors that you need, so you can pick, choose, and refuse the colors you want to use or you don't want to utilize. It's really cool and I love it, especially if I see like an image that I have an inspiration for and I don't know the code. It saves a lot of time. Then fourthly, the other feature tool that I love is my content scheduler. So as someone who not only creates designs but also manages social media for my clients, it's really great. So I create all my designs in Canva, and then I can schedule it to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, any social media platform with Canva. And the content scheduler, it includes like a calendar. It gives you the option to create your captions, include your hashtags, all of those things. I know there's like a really cool feature on Canva where you can see how many persons have actually viewed your graphic or your design. Trust me guys, when I tell you Canva is a game changer, you have to get the other feature that I absolutely love in Canva is a screen record. So if you're doing like a presentation and you want to do a walkthrough, whether you're a teacher or whatever it is, you can simply use the screen record feature in Canva, which means you don't have to think about looking for or trying to find third-party screen recording tools. And trust me, this is really good because especially for me as someone who creates my designs and normally do like a walkthrough video, this is what we call it, chef's kiss, right? And yeah, these are my favorite features on Canva. I absolutely love them. They are time savers, they're game changers for me, and there are many other features that I love. So if you want a part 2 of features I love in Canva that you can utilize in your small business, just drop a comment below, and I'd love to hear what you think or what is your favorite feature in Canva.